Hey, Kevin from Ski MD here. This afternoon we're having a quick look at the latest bit of emergency kit to carry on your PWC, made by Motobatt. As you know, Motobatt make probably the best AGM batteries for personal watercraft. This is a jump pack. Now it doesn't matter whether you have a single battery in your ski, the original Seadoo battery or an aftermarket battery, or you have a dual battery setup. If anything goes wrong with that setup for whatever reason, we still get the phone call, help, what do I do? This is a really cheap way of getting out of jail in that situation. So it's very simple. It's a jump pack the size of a block of chocolate. Comes with a pair of leads which plug into the unit. Test to show before you go. You've got 4 bars of battery. Plug in, hook it to your battery, and you're good for a jump start. Now, I had a Fish Pro come in last weekend with a dead flat battery, wouldn't even light up the dashboard. Dropped this onto it, instantly started. They are 800 peak amps, which is a massive amount of charging or starting current. The other thing about them is they will charge your cell phone. They come with a USB plug with multiple options for phone charging. They also have a torch, strobe and SOS functions on it. So it'll start the ski, it'll be used for emergency lighting, it's also for charging cell phones, tablets, etc. So if you're out on the water, you get into trouble and your phone's gone flat, you can plug your phone into it as well and keep your communication devices working. We think this is a really good idea, a must-have, $179 and available on our website through the link which we'll post.